everyone. Today we're going to be making oobleck. Oobleck is a solid, but it has the same characteristics as a liquid. All you need to make it is corn flour and water. Today we're going to be making oobleck. Okay? Oobleck.
Yeah.
First you add corn flour. And then you add water.
Okay, use your spoons.
And then we have to mix it until it's a paste. So Leah, remember what?